Well, hello from a very soggy Burning Man. We're kind of screwed here. It rained yesterday afternoon and all night. So the entire place is absolutely just soaked. This is our, kind of our bar and DJ area. The tarps got filled with water and just bent everything. Problem is it's gonna take a day or two for this to dry out, and you cannot even walk around out here. Let me show you the feet. I mean, every time you step, you pick up more mud, and it's just really hard to move. Driving a vehicle right now is impossible. There is absolutely no way you can move a vehicle through this right now. And normally we pack up today and leave tomorrow, and that's not happening. And it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. So I think we're stuck here for another 3 or 4 days before we can get off this playa. Maybe let it be long.
You wake up to fight for that championship, the air tastes different. The sun looks different. And only 2 men on this whole group matter.